Okay, gentlemen, first thing we're going to do, boys, is we're going to go on to defont.com and we're going to find ourselves a font. Okay, so I open a new tab and I go to defont. Inside of defont, at the top of the screen, there's lots of different categories of font. If you are a little bit unsure about what category best suits yours, I'd suggest having a look in the top fonts to start with. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to pick a font that I think is interesting. Okay, now I really like the look of Wolf in the City. So I'm going to click download. As it downloads, it'll pop up in the bottom left of your screen and I open the file up and you'll see that there's a few different files inside. I'm after any file that is a true font file. So I'm going to click this second file. What I then do is hit install. When I hit install, it's going to place that font in my Windows Fonts folder, which means I can access it in all my programs. The second thing I want to do is go onto my template website to choose a package for my net. So I go up and open Template Maker. This link's been emailed to you. When I open Template Maker, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a package that I like. Now I'm pretty keen on this gift box package. So I'm going to scroll down and hit more options. When I open more options, I'm going to select SVG as my file type and hit create. Once I've done that, you can see that my package appears on the screen. I now need to take a screenshot of this. Now I'm going to do mine as a screen clipping through OneNote, but you could hold down function and insert. So I trace around my package and it's time to open up Publisher. In Publisher, I've got the option to open a portrait or a landscape file. In this case, I'm going to go portrait and I'm going to paste, Control V, my template in. So at this point, I've got my template inside of Publisher and I need to start thinking about my font. Now my font was called Wolf in the City. So I'm going to hit insert a text box. I draw my text box and I type some letters. I can then highlight those letters, go up to format and find the font that I just downloaded, Wolf in the City. I can then make that font bigger because I'm going to use it for my logo. Okay, so I've got my template in, I've got my logo in. The next thing to do would be to go onto the web and start downloading things like your barcode and any other data that needs to go on your package template.